I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift with a BMW M2. First, ensure your M2 is in a suitable condition for performance driving. Locate a safe, controlled environment, such as a dedicated track or a large, empty lot, to begin your practice. Always prioritize safety and be aware of your surroundings. Remember to fully disable all electronic driving aids like traction and stability control before attempting any drifts. To initiate a drift, approach a corner at a moderate speed. As you turn in, give a quick, firm blip of the throttle to unsettle the rear of the car and break traction. You can also use a slight steering flick to help the rear end slide out. Another method involves a brief pull of the handbrake, which can be effective for sharper entries. Practice these techniques to find what feels most natural for you. Once the drift is initiated, the key is to sustain it smoothly. Immediately countersteer, turning the wheel in the direction you want the front of the car to go. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of your slide. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Your eyes should always be looking ahead, through the corner, to anticipate your next move. This helps maintain a consistent and controlled drift. To exit a drift, smoothly reduce your throttle input while gradually unwinding the countersteer. The car will naturally straighten out as traction is regained. For more advanced techniques, practice linking drifts together, transitioning from one corner to the next with seamless control. This requires precise timing and throttle modulation. Remember, consistent practice is crucial for mastering drifting. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.